Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Fiat 500 screen. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool and a T20 Torx screwdriver. It's crucial to confirm your new screen is fully compatible with your specific Fiat 500 model. Before starting any work, always disconnect the car's battery to ensure safety and prevent any potential electrical problems. This simple step protects both you and your vehicle's electronics. Now let's remove the old display. Begin by carefully prying off the surrounding trim panel. Use a plastic trim removal tool to avoid scratching any surfaces. Once the trim is off, you'll see 4 T20 Torx screws securing the old screen. Unscrew these, then gently pull the screen forward. Finally, disconnect all the electrical connectors from the back of the unit. Take your time with this step to prevent damage. With the old screen out, it's time to install your new one. First, carefully connect all the electrical cables to the back of your replacement screen. Make sure each connection is secure and properly seated. Next, position the new screen into its housing and secure it using the 4 T20 Torx screws you removed earlier. Finally, reattach the trim panel, ensuring all clips snap firmly into place for a flush finish. You're almost done. Reconnect your car's battery and turn on the ignition. Now, thoroughly test your new screen. Check all its functions, including touch response, display clarity, and any integrated features like navigation or media playback. Ensure everything is working perfectly before you button up the interior. If you're looking for other great deals, remember to check the description for links, including one for the new Kindle Paperwhite. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your upgraded Fiat 500.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.